In this lesson, we will learn about money. Let's begin. Have you had to buy something at a store before? Sweets, toys, or even ice cream? Then you must have dealt with money. Money is what people use to buy things and services. Money is what many people take for selling their own things or services. There are many kinds of money in the world. Most countries have their own kind of money, such as the Nigerian naira and kobo, the British pounds and pennies, the United States dollars and cents. Money is also called many other names like cash or currency, C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. Most of the time, the government of the country prints paper money and make coins at a place called the mint, M-I-N-T, mint. A long time ago, people did not buy or sell with money. Instead, they traded one thing for another to get what they wanted or needed. One person who owned many cows could trade with another person who owned much wheat. Each would trade a little of what he had with the other. This would help the people on his farm. Other things that were easier to carry around than cows also became important in trading. This is why people traded items such as jewelry and spices. When people changed from trading in things like cows and wheat to using money instead, they needed things that would last a long time. Those things still needed to be important and could be carried around. The first country in the world to make metal coins was a country called Lydia, which was in Asia. Coins were also made to be the same size and shape. In some parts of the world, different things have been used as money like clam shells or blocks of salt. Cows die and wheat goes bad, but money lasts longer than most trade goods. If someone sells a cow for money, he can save that money away until he needs it. He can always leave it to his children when he dies. It can last a very long time and he can use it at any time. Wasn't that interesting? Now, let us remind ourselves some important things we learned in this lesson. We learned that A. Money is what people use to buy things and services. B. Money is what many people take for selling their own things or services. C. Many countries have their own kind of money, so there are different kinds of money in the world. D. Money is made in a place called mint. E. Money is also called currency or cash. F. Money can stay for a long time and can be passed down when a person dies. Wow! It was fun learning something new. There's a word that may be new to you. It is currency, the system of money used in a particular country. Learning about the use of money was amazing, right? Great! I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye now.